Uh, Good morning, Priyanka and Reena and Sweta. Thanks for joining.
Good morning, Kora.
What we are going to do today is we'll learn few things. One is how to calculate CIRR, that is extended internal rate of return, and make an Excel sheet for that. So basically, CIRR is in mutual fund. When you are doing a multiple transactions at multiple different times. Remember, you have calculated CAGR, compounded annual growth rate. That formula won't be relevant now because you are putting different sums in different months. So there is a need to calculate an equivalent of CAGR. That is your XIRR. Right. So, Reena, if you can share your screen and show us how you are going to calculate XIRR, we'll be thankful. So, share your screen. So, our thing is make a sheet, a new sheet after bank biz called XIRR. And go to Nifty Bees. So in this sheet, what I have done is you have invested 100 rupees in whatever is the starting date. But now what you are going to do is you are really investing your whatever the money that you would like to invest in every March end. Or maybe like let's say December end. Let's say December end. So you filter all the December values. Say okay. And now this is your investments, right? So copy all of them and paste it in XIRR. Remove those yellows, like a little distracting. Right. Now, what you have done is you are investing, right? So investment.
Yes.
Yeah. So write C1 as investment. And how much you are investing in 2012?
No, 2012. I was very young that time, so wouldn't have that much money. But,
okay. Then?
Then, like just a gradual increase, probably. And then again, I say I'll keep it same. Then increase it to 1500. As before Corona also, I do the peak investment. Then in the Corona time frame, I come down to a very low investment just to keep my money safe. And then again, since Corona is continuing, so I again keep it low. So this is like a rough investment amount that I've entered here.
Right. Now convert them into number of units. How much you got?
Okay. Just a moment.
So that is a round of your money. Round.
Just, yeah. Move.
Of money divided by Nifty value.
Yeah. Oh.
And comma 1 digit pressure.
Yes. Okay.
So you got only 0.5 units.
Yes.
Or maybe you can put 2-digit precision. So you'll get 0.48, something like that.
Yeah, just a moment. My machine is also in weekend mode.
Okay. Right, so now drag it, right?
Yeah.
Now what you are doing is cash flow. So write a cash flow.
Yeah.
This is the money is going out from your pocket. So equals to -1 into number of units into the Nifty Bs. So instead of 100, you basically invested 99.45. Make that as a little lower precision. Select the entire E.
Yeah, just a moment.
Go to that general.
Yeah.
Make it number. Make it number in the drop down box. Go up. Make that as number. And yeah, make it like 99.5. Yeah, that looks fine. Rather than 99.4 paisa or whatever. Right? So this is your cash flow. Now, what is the worth? So insert a row in between A1 and A2. Write today's date, 19th March 20. Right, let's say today's Nifty BCs. Go to NSE. NSE India. Search Nifty Bs in the search bar.
Sorry.
Yeah. What is the value of that? 186.88. So write that 186.88.
186.88. Yeah.
And actually, you can change the format of A2 to A13. So take the brush on A2. No, take the brush on A2. Control Z. Go to A2.
Yes.
And take your brush. Escape and take your brush. And put it on entire A. So you will get the actual dates. So like 1st December or is what you are investing.
Yeah.
Now your total investment, go to C2 and sum all your prior investments. Do the same for number of units. Now, if you decide to sell it, you will get the money back, right? So your cash flow is equals to number of units into the
price.
So your 9400 has become 186, 18,686.
Yes.
How do you calculate XIRR is? Write XIRR in G2. XIRR. And the formula for that is equals to XIRR brackets values. Values is nothing but your cash flows, comma, and your dates. Enter. It throws an error because XIRR expects the dates to be in ascending order. So now what you do is take A and E and copy as values somewhere in K. Change the month format. No, change the KK.
Yes. 1 moment.
And sort oldest to newest. Now calculate XIRR.
Values.
Yeah, so XIRR, write the formula XIRR values.
Yeah. 1 moment.
Enter.
Yeah.
The percentage value. So into 100.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
if so much precision, you can reduce it to 2-digit precision.
Sure. 1 moment.
So your XIRR is how much?
14.14.
That's how you calculate XIRR, right? So
Yeah.
you're doing different multiple investments in multiple time frames, and your investments are not consistent. So you need to calculate XIRR instead of CAGR or whatever. So your 9,400 has almost doubled 18,686. The almost doubling has translated to 14.14% as XIRR, which is what you are generating at a yearly level. Right. So any questions?
No.
All right. So this is how you calculate XIRR, right?
Yes.